Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of this annoying arrow on your desktop icons here that you can see on the left. So this works for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's get started. So if we go, first off we need to go down to the Windows menu, and in search we want to type reg edit here. So this is the registry editor tool. So you click on that. So you're going to get this pop-up from Windows to say you're making changes in the registry that may affect obviously your system, so just say yes to that. So now we're in here, what we can do is go into File, because making changes to the registry, and do Export, and just save that off somewhere. So we can put that actually on the desktop. So we can put in there, let's put reg edit backup. And this is just in case. And now we've got a copy of our registry as we're going to make changes here. Okay, so now we're inside the registry. We want to go into local machine and then into software. And now we want to go into Microsoft. And then we want to scroll down to Windows. Here, and then select current version, and then we're looking for Explorer. So right click Explorer and select new and select key, and then we want to call this shell icons. Okay, so if we then click into this one, we've got the string values here, so we want to create a new string. So if we do new string value, we want to number this 29, like this. Okay, and then we want to double click, and we want to enter the following value data. So I'll put this down in the description below because it is a little long. So let me copy and paste that in. So you can see it's percent windir, percent, then / system32 / shell32.dll, and you've got a comma -50. Like I said, I'll put it in the comments to just make it easier to copy and paste it in, and press OK to that. Okay, so now if we head down to the search, and we're going to go into Task Manager. So okay, scroll down, and what we're looking for is Windows Explorer. Okay, so if we have a look at the icons on the left here, we can see they've got the arrows. If we right click and press restart, and like magic they disappear. So if you ever want to bring them back, not sure why you would, but just let's say you did, you just go back into this shell icon, so you can take a note of this link here and save that off. That'll take you exactly to that location. You just click this, right click and click delete. And then you would have to literally go back into Task Manager as we did before, and you could restart it here just as we did, or you could just shut down and restart the machine. So if you enjoyed the video, if you could like and subscribe, that would be fantastic, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.